When I design a project, my goal really is that the production, the creation, the producing of work is really important to me, but that is all in service of discourse. So I want students to create things, and then when we get to the end and we have like an exhibition of work, they have work that is there, but really the purpose is that they can use it as a tool to engage an audience in a conversation.
I feel like in teaching there's always this statement that we throw to kids a lot where this is going to be important like one day. Often I feel like that question, why do I have to do this? Because one day this is going to have importance. And I feel like the beautiful thing about a PBL model is it takes the one day this will be important and it kind of fast tracks it, and it's important now, right? So whatever they're learning has immediacy, and this is important right now because what we're doing has this worth in our community right now, or this problem, this project that's created is birthed out of our community right now.
In the production phase of projects, students are constantly cycling through drafting, critique, and revision. And cycling through production of their products helps them to develop an ethic of producing high-quality work.
So I went out into the field, and these experiences led me to some questions. I can sound those questions off and get feedback on some things I'm wondering. Then I went in and I did some work and I created something. And it could be as simple as a little piece of writing or a blog post or some photos, and I get some feedback on those. And all of a sudden you're engaged in this sort of like iterative process of learning some things and then wrestling with them with the teacher there and hopefully some other experts there and your peers, and it grows upon itself. And we add value in that cycle.
You can plan so much of a project, but really it's what students are saying, what students are experiencing, that is the real project. Their voices and what happens when you step through that door, what they bring to you, that is what becomes the project.
My greatest product is my kids. So any exhibition you go to, regardless of what they are displaying, those children that are standing up there are the product.